Festival is an eagerly awaited annual event for the Nnewi people and beyond. The 2024 Afiaolu was particularly spectacular, spanning a 4-day event, a notable expansion from previous celebrations. The festival kicked off with a vibrant opening ceremony at the iconic Nkwo Triangle roundabout. Dignitaries including the Obis of Nnewi, Obi Obi and the Igwe of Nnewi, represented by his son, the Crown Prince Obianefo, graced the event alongside the PG Nzukora Nnewi, Dr. Mmaduka Atuenyi, and the representative from the Anambra State House of Assembly, Honorable Augustine Ikedoji. In a poignant moment, a moment of silence was observed in honor of departed Nnewi sons, which included Senator Ifeanyi, Ajulu Uzodike, and Alfred Nwosu. This act of remembrance underscored the community's respect for its leaders and the significance of traditions. The festival was filled with vibrant activities like the wrestling competitions between the communities in Nnewi, showcasing their strengths and skills. Traditional dance performance by the women of Nnewi. Distribution of palliatives to support the communities and those in need. Masquerade displays highlighting cultural heritage. The festivities continued on the 2nd and 3rd days, with the Obis of various communities celebrating in grand style. The highlights included presentation of gifts to the Obis, diverse cultural dance performances, more masquerade displays, showcasing the new yam harvest. In Igbo culture, festivals serve as a vital means to celebrate and showcase the rich heritage and diversity of the community. The Afiaolu 2024 festival was undeniably a huge success, reinforcing the bonds of community and tradition among the Nnewi people. This year's celebration not only honored the past, but also strengthened the cultural identity of the Nnewi people, ensuring that their vibrant traditions continue to thrive. From AnaedoTV, I am Priska Ezago reporting.
Men also son and them more upon them.
na nke mmụọ nsọ. Totu agodo. Totu agodo. Ayo emeghe na ụzọ ekwu na Ifeanyi bịara abata. Abụgbu.
Nasi malenya gebeli gebeli. Odika nnamme.
Ebe ọga. Ana na ekwu bi ego bụ ebata n'ime ọnọdụ ata. Ana dịka ekwu bi. Totu agodo. Totu agodo. Ịkpa na-abụ ọfụma. Ogiri na-ata mmadụ iji ego wee mere oke eze. Sunday gbagowekwa Ibisa ezigbo ozugbo n'ụrụ ụmụnne